Capo, I just do. I hear say that scammer wey scam you of your Bitcoin and gift card that time. They say you break your leg, break your hand. As the regulator talk now, say na creep you be now. So they say they can go hospital. Hospital say me go pay you all your money back before they fit treat am.
Even if they're flying abroad or return and come back, you must pay me.
Capo, I can't fear you. Hey, Capo, I never see get where to trade my iTunes card. In fact, all my gift cards and Bitcoin, I never see get.
Bro, me don't get my shop plug. JTech Trade. They are the best when it comes to buying of Bitcoin and all gift cards. They are sure, fast, and reliable. They don't be like all these scammers where they trade for Instagram, trade for WhatsApp, trade for Togo. No! They get their website www.jtechtrade.com and then they pay you instantly. Once you sell, they pay you, they credit you your money. No scam, everybody going away.
Are you serious?
Very fast, sure, and reliable.
Wait, so you mean I say now just to trade on their website alone?
Finish.
And their rates they very good.
Oh God, they pay at good rates and they give you your money instantly.
They don't do. Ma trade with them now so jtechtrade.com. www.jtechtrade.com. Trade. Good rate. They don't credit me just now so. They don't credit me.
Now JTech my school.
Chamo, let's say I don't fit do without a shower no man.
Something must kill him, man.
So what you do for me? I don't want to be transferring money to my shower again. So what I will do? Anytime I carry a shower, you help me to credit them.
No wahala.
I will send the money. You help me transfer to their account.
No wahala.
So just for me to send the account number, give you help me
credit. This way you talking, it don't even fair in my mind. I know I want to tell you. Correct. Because I know I made they collect money from you directly. Maybe they help you. They transfer them. But our friends for.
Thank you.
So no, just they send the account number. Give me.
That's my capo.
Once you send that, give me. I go help you. They credit them.
Once I just work with them finish, I will send you the account number. You help me transfer the money. You know, we can't live without all these showers.
See, what are you telling me? Are you mad? Wait, oh, you think I've come up from my house, dress up, come follow you play? Or you think I'll be small picking?
Auntie, I have sent your account number to my friend to credit you. They will make the transfer now.
The person where you send my account number and browse my chocos. I be want my head to your mouth. What's your worry this man?
This one pass me on. Okay, hold on, I'm coming. Hold on, please, I'm coming. Don't hold on.
Hey, wonders shall never end. Wahala.
Jamo, you never go make the transfer.
So are you mad? No wait. So are you crazy? So wait. The account number where you send my baby account number. So no. My baby na be the shower where you carry. So don't be saying you don't know me. So you know me. You don't know what they do for this house. So no na me capo. You get mad. You carry my babe as a shower. Cause you send me account number my credit down. And if I get your time fair, you even come. So now this is what they do. Wait, and then they try. Wait, and then they work hard. Even you get mind. Evening. You get mind, they follow my friend. And if I get your time, I'll settle solo first so I enter you. When you get out the door about solo!
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Thank you for saving me.